Direct panel replacement involves replacing a damaged solar panel with a new one without system modifications. This guide provides information on the tools, materials, and instructions for this process. Firstly, consider the necessary materials and tools, including a new solar panel compatible with the existing system, wire cutters and strippers, solar panel connectors which may be MC4 or similar, a torque wrench, safety glasses, and gloves. Secondly, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1 involves safety precautions. Begin by disconnecting the solar system from the grid. Wear appropriate safety gear such as glasses and gloves. Step 2 is removing the damaged panel. Locate the damaged panel. Disconnect the panel connectors. Remove the mounting bolts or clips securing the panel. Carefully remove the damaged panel. Step 3 is preparing the new panel. Unpack the new solar panel. Inspect the panel for any damage. Wire the new panel to the appropriate terminals on the MC4 connectors. Use the torque wrench to tighten the terminals securely. Step 4 is installing the new panel. Position the new panel in the frame or mounting brackets. Secure the panel using the bolts or clips. Ensure the panel is level and properly aligned. Step 5 involves connecting the panel. Connect the MC4 connectors and the new panel to the existing solar system wiring. Double check all connections for tightness. Step 6 is reconnecting the system. Reconnect the solar system to the grid. Monitor the system output to ensure the new panel is functioning properly. Step 7 involves cleanup. Remove any debris or tools. Dispose of the damaged panel properly. Some additional tips to consider include choosing a panel with similar specifications to the original panel. Use compatible MC4 connectors and wiring. Refer to the manufacturer's instructions for specific details. If you are not comfortable performing the replacement yourself, contact a qualified solar installer. In conclusion, direct panel replacement is a straightforward process that can be completed with basic skills. By following these instructions, you can safely and effectively replace a damaged solar panel and restore your system to optimal performance. The torque wrench is a crucial tool, ensuring connections are neither too loose, which can cause arcing and fire hazards, nor too tight, which can damage the connector and panel components. When selecting a replacement panel, closely match the original panel's voltage, amperage, and wattage. Deviations can lead to system inefficiencies and potential damage to other components. For example, if the original panels operate at 30 volts and 8 amps, with a wattage of 240 watts, select a replacement panel with similar specifications. The NC4 connectors are standardized for solar panel connections but ensure compatibility with your existing system's connectors. Inspect the connectors for any signs of wear or damage before connecting them. A multimeter can be used to verify the voltage and current output of the new panel after installation. Check the open circuit voltage and short circuit current to ensure they align with the panel specifications. After reconnecting the system to the grid, monitor the system's performance through your solar inverter's monitoring system. Check for any error codes or unusual readings. Use a solar power meter or monitoring app to track the energy production of the new panel over time. The mounting hardware such as bolts, nuts, and clips should be made of corrosion-resistant materials like stainless steel to withstand outdoor conditions. Ensure the mounting structure is sturdy and capable of supporting the weight of the new panel, which can typically range from 40 to 50 pounds. The angle of the solar panel is also critical for optimal energy production. Determine the optimal tilt angle based on the location's latitude and adjust the mounting brackets accordingly. You can find online resources or consult a solar professional to determine the ideal tilt angle for your area. Consider factors such as shading from trees or buildings that could affect the panel's performance. Use a Solar Pathfinder tool to assess potential shading issues and reposition the panel if necessary. Label all wires and connections clearly to facilitate future maintenance or troubleshooting. Use weatherproof labels and markers to ensure they remain legible over time. Document the replacement process, including photos of the wiring connections and the new panel specifications. Keep this documentation for future reference. If your solar system includes a battery backup, disconnect the batteries before starting any work on the panels. This will prevent accidental electrical shocks and protect the batteries from damage. Consider using a surge protector to protect your solar panels and other system components from voltage spikes caused by lightning or grid fluctuations. Regularly inspect your solar panels for any signs of damage such as cracks, delamination, or discoloration. Address any issues promptly to prevent further damage and maintain optimal performance. Clean your solar panels periodically to remove dirt, dust, and debris that can reduce their efficiency. Use a soft brush and mild soap to avoid scratching the panel surfaces. Check the grounding connections of your solar system to ensure they are secure and properly connected to the earth. This will help prevent electrical shocks and protect your equipment from damage. If you are replacing multiple panels, consider upgrading your inverter to a higher capacity model to handle the increased power output. Consult with a solar professional to determine the appropriate inverter size for your system. Consider adding a solar monitoring system to track your energy production and identify any performance issues. These systems can provide real-time data and alerts, allowing you to quickly address any problems. Check the local regulations and permitting requirements for solar panel replacements in your area. Obtain any necessary permits before starting the work. Contact your insurance company to ensure that your solar system is covered in case of damage or theft. Keep records of all maintenance and repairs performed on your solar system. This will help you track its performance over time and identify any potential issues. Consider investing in a solar panel cleaning service to ensure that your panels are properly cleaned and maintained. These services typically use specialized equipment and techniques to maximize panel efficiency. Monitor the voltage and current of each solar panel string using a string monitoring system. This will allow you to identify any individual panels that are underperforming or have failed. Check the condition of the wiring insulation regularly to ensure it is not cracked, brittle, or damaged. Replace any damaged wiring to prevent electrical hazards. Ensure that all electrical connections are properly sealed to prevent moisture from entering and causing corrosion. Use weatherproof connectors and sealant to protect the connections. Consider adding a bird deterrent system to prevent birds from nesting under your solar panels. Bird droppings can reduce panel efficiency and damage the panel surfaces. Check the torque of all mounting hardware regularly to ensure that the panels are securely fastened. Loose hardware can cause the panels to shift or fall off. Inspect the solar panel racking system for any signs of corrosion or damage. Repair or replace any damaged components to ensure the structural integrity of the system. Consider adding a snow guard system to prevent snow from sliding off your solar panels and causing damage or injury. Check the condition of the roof under your solar panels regularly to ensure that it is not leaking or damaged. Repair any roof damage promptly to prevent water from entering your home. Consider adding a lightning protection system to protect your solar panels and other system components from lightning strikes. Check the settings on your solar inverter regularly to ensure that they are optimized for your system's performance. Consult with a solar professional to determine the best settings for your inverter. Monitor the performance of your solar system during different times of the day and year to identify any seasonal variations in energy production. Adjust the tilt angle of the panels as needed to optimize performance. Consider adding a thermal management system to cool your solar panels during hot weather. This can help improve their efficiency and prevent them from overheating. Check the condition of the solar panel junction boxes regularly to ensure that they are properly sealed and that the wiring connections are secure. Ensure that the area around your solar panels is clear of any obstructions such as trees, bushes, or debris. These obstructions can block sunlight and reduce panel efficiency. Consider adding a remote monitoring system to track your solar system's performance from anywhere in the world. These systems can provide real-time data and alerts, allowing you to quickly address any problems. Check the terms of your solar panel warranty to understand what is covered and what is not. Keep records of all maintenance and repairs performed on your system to ensure that your warranty remains valid. Consult with a qualified solar professional for any questions or concerns about your solar system. They can provide expert advice and assistance to help you keep your system running smoothly. Be sure to keep all manuals. Verify that all disconnects are properly labeled. Verify with the meter that the system is de-energized. Do not touch any bare wires. If you are unsure of anything, contact a professional. Solar panels can be dangerous if not handled properly. Use the proper personal protective equipment. Have a plan before you start. If you encounter any problems, stop and reassess the situation. Solar panel replacement is a complex process. Take your time and do it right. Consider if the panel is under warranty from the manufacturer. The most common issue is shade falling on the panels, which can greatly reduce energy production.